Hi, folks. Here is your week 11 La Semana for the week of April 15th through April 21st. And this is for Math 119 Elementary Statistics. All right, so announcements, not a ton, just that I'm looking forward to taking a look at your lab number 4. And thinking about how that central limit theorem really is something that makes sense, right? When we see all that data, it kind of makes sense that we have these square roots of these numbers in that piece there. Okay, so I'm looking forward to seeing those. In terms of this week, I just wanted to remind us that we do have resources on Canvas. I'll show you at the end of the video where you can go for this week's resources. All right. And then the assignments this week, we'll take this as a little bit of a lighter week for us. I know that this time in the semester can be really stressful. We've got a lot of things going on. Maybe we have classes with exams. And so this week, our focus is really on the My Open Math, okay? So we have 3 separate My Open Math assignments. One that talks about the concepts and errors in chapter 9. One that talks about the single population mean hypothesis testing, and the other that talks about single population proportion hypothesis testing, okay? So 3 separate examples, or 3 separate My Open Math. They're not necessarily super long, but I think that all the videos will be really helpful this week, okay? We're getting to the point where we really need to apply things and interpret things, and I know that that can be really hard for us, okay? The other assignment is to reply to the week 10 discussion. So if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and reply to that week 10 discussion. And my friends, there's no week 11 discussion. So you've got 3 My Open Math and a discussion reply for week 11, okay? Now, let me go ahead and show you the resources for this week. So this is kind of what your Canvas shell looks like. And so we can scroll down to week 11. And if you go to the chapter 9 content learning resources, again, I've got the textbook link. I've got links to a bunch of videos with Larry Green, and I think he does a really great job talking through those examples. Now, he uses the TI-84, I believe. So if you have a graphing calculator, I think watching his videos is probably going to be way more helpful. And the 2 videos that I've included, I'm using StatCrunch, okay? So I know some of us are running into questions about the graphing calculators. I don't know those quite as well as I know StatCrunch. So if you're, stuck on that, maybe try the StatCrunch, see if it works. As long as you have our class login, you should be fine and good to go for that, okay? So I just wanted to remind us that we've got these learning resources here for you. And hopefully those examples will help you make sense of what your homework question looks like, okay? All right, that's it for this week. I will see you in week 12. We've got about 5 weeks left in this class. We'll have a few more labs. We've got a few more My Open Maths, and we're really in the home stretch, folks. So keep up the good work, and I will see you next week.